Namaste and welcome or welcome back. My name is Adi. I am the Black Yogi. Here on my channel, I practice yoga, meditation, how-to tips, tricks, and tutorials. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, or if you learned anything from this video, stick around, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of the content that I upload. Also, leave your feedback, your comments, your thumbs up. Share the video. All of this helps me to continue to make videos free virtually to share. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I look forward to reading and responding to your comment. I look forward to hearing how this practice elevated and hopefully relieve some stress or some pressure, some tension in your spine, in your back. This practice, we are going to be practicing standing. So stand on your mat. At the top of your mat, inhale, lift your arms up, and gently bend back. Okay? And a modification for this, bring your hands to your hips. Inhale, lengthen, and slowly lean back. So whatever feels most comfortable in your body. Inhale, come up. Exhale, forward fold down. So hang your body low. Grab hold of your elbows. Bend your knees if you need to. Grab hold of your elbows and rock from side to side like a rag doll. Just really let gravity take you. Allow your body to hang, feeling some of that pressure coming off your low back. Good. Release the hands down. Bend your right knee. Extend your left arm up. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Lowering down with your exhalation. Bend the opposite knee. Bend the left knee. Right arm extends up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Lower down on the exhalation. Final posture. Inhale, coming to. Breathe out on the exhalation. Inhale, find a half lift. Find a flat back. Gazing at the tip of your nose. Breathing in and out. In and out. Inhale, slowly rise, coming up, standing. So this next and final posture can be practiced with your leg up or your knee down. So inhale the first way, step your right leg back. Pivot the left leg forward, right leg comes out, bend at the right knee. Palms are at the chest. Inhale. Exhale, twist, bringing your left elbow across your right knee. Okay? And if this is not in your practice, go ahead and drop down, lower down on that back knee. Still breathing in and out. Inhale, push into the front leg, come standing. Pivot the right foot forward. Left foot comes out this time. So set up, get yourself nice and ready. Hands are at the heart center. We're bending at the left knee this time. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Bringing the right elbow across the left knee. You can drop your back leg down if that feels most comfortable, most supported in the posture. Breathing in and out. Inhale, push into that front foot, come standing. Shuffle the feet. Step to the front of the mat, finding Samasthiti, finding balance. Good. So if you enjoyed this practice, if you enjoyed this 5 mini series video, I look forward to seeing you in future videos. Go ahead and comment below. Let me know what type of videos you would like to see. I have so much inside of me and I'm willing to share it all with you. So just leave the comment. Let me know what you would like to see. What is it that you want to see here on my channel? What videos, what yoga videos would you like to see? What meditation videos would you like to see? What asanas? Asanas are the poses, the postures. So what asanas would you like to learn? Are you more of a demonstration? Would you like to see voiceovers? Do you like videos where I'm explaining at the same time? Do you like words in the videos? What do you like? I would love to make the videos especially for you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Click the subscribe button, thumbs up. All of these things help to propel the channel, help to keep yoga accessible and free virtually. I look forward to seeing you soon. Namaste.